Here is the next project. If you look through that door over there, you can see the bathroom toilet from the kitchen table. Well, I really hate that. So here's the plan. We're going to be taking this bathroom out. In fact, this little room is going to make an excellent pantry for our kitchen. So that's going to be another phase of the project. But in this direction, we have our dining room. This is like a formal dining room, which I don't know about you, but this room does not get used much. It's got a nice view here. But what we need is a full bathroom and a laundry room on our first floor. So we're gonna take this area and we're gonna turn the side of the room with the window is going to become a first floor laundry, and the side of the room with this opening to our living room, there's gonna be a wall built across that, and that's gonna get a full bathroom put in right there. So there'll be a short hallway from the kitchen right there, and then there'll be a door on either side of the hallway, one going into the laundry room and one going to this side, which will be a full bathroom. Sound interesting? Well, we've actually hired a contractor to do this, which is really hard on me because I've always done things myself. So I'm gonna document this process as it goes, maybe posting weekly and show how it's going. There's gonna be a lot of plumbing that needs to be done in the basement and a little bit of electrical. So I think it's gonna be a pretty neat project. Let's do the title intro. You're watching On the Mark with Mark. This is the end of the first day. We have some walls. It's kind of hard to video because it's a fairly small space. This side is going to be the bathroom, and the side with the window is the laundry room. I'm probably gonna say that every time. So the stool is gonna go right there, and the shower is going to go on this side. And then right behind me is where the sink is going to go. And this wall well, actually it's not a wall. This doorway will become a wall. Sliding glass door that used to be here was leaking for some time. There is a small amount of wood rot here, but it's not bad and there's not a need to replace it. That's the end of week 1. We've made decent progress here. Next week, we're gonna have the plumbers and the electricians will be coming out. So that's something that I haven't seen professional plumbers work before. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. This is like an 8-week process, I think. So I'm not sure how many videos I'll make. I think some weeks will be slow, so I might combine them in the future. But anyway, I hope you like these videos. Thanks. Bye. Good.